I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to activate an ESIM with Rogers on your Samsung device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the ESIM link in the description to open the ESIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Contact Rogers customer service or log into your Rogers account to request your ESIM activation code. This code is essential for the activation process. Step 3. Open Settings. On your Samsung device, go to the Settings app. From there, navigate to the Connections section. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the Mobile Network section, select Add Mobile Plan. You will be prompted to scan the QR code provided by Rogers or enter the activation code manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Once done, you should see your new ESIM plan listed under Mobile Networks. If you don't see it, try restarting your device. If you follow these steps, you should have your ESIM activated in no time. Good luck and enjoy your new connectivity.